Here folks we have a Bosch washing machine and we have a code there of E18 which normally says that your filter down here is blocked. So we're going to have a look to see if the filter here is blocked. You come down here to the bottom of the machine and you open your wee cupboard here, and then there's a wee hose here, pull it down, there's a wee hose here and you pull it out the drain. That's too high for that dish, so I'm doing it like that. Best we can do. Any excess water draining in there. Give me a towel on top of the sink, will you please? I'll throw a towel down too because it's going to be hot body of water here coming out. And then we open this wee cap here, see in here? See this wee cap here, open this to see if there's any dirt. And you do it out, and you will have water come out of this. That's just been a bit stiff for some reason. This must be jammed well. Let's go down here. Yeah, it's jammed well. I don't know if I can drop this. I think that was. Slowly turn the machine off. I'll have it. Watch. Right. I see it's full of water as well. Okay. But yeah, here's a culprit here. As you see, it's all stuffed. You pull that out. Give it a good rinse with warm water. And then which one's is hot? Don't know. Yes. It's nice and clear in there. Make sure all in here is clear and all in around here is clear. Okay, I'll go back to the machine now. Really map up, give me a map. Push that back in. Do this here around just tidy him. That's right to there. Put the filter boy back in. Goes in there like that. Keep it up like that. Right, and let's see now. Because that solve our problem. So what we'll do is a minute 30. Oh, what's a minute 30 in these? We'll do a minute 30. Spin quick wash minute 30. 30. So there's a 15-minute wash. See what happens there. We'll put her on. Oh, let's do something in the drum, but we have something in the drum because I've never cleared. Have a drink of coffee. Give me a map, son, will you please? That's kind of where the map is.